A question that is rarely asked in real world conversations, but almost always taught during the first lessons of any language course is, "How old are you?" Or,
Quanti anni hai? Quanti anni hai? Quanti anni hai? Ho 3 anni e mezzo.
"How old are you?" "I'm 3.5." It's important to point out that quanti anni hai is the informal way of asking someone's age in Italian. It's the version that is used most frequently, normally between young people and children. As in English, it isn't considered impolite for young people to pose this question to one another, or for an adult to ask a child their age.
E tu quanti anni hai, Sara? Ho quasi 13 anni.
"And how old are you, Sarah?" "I'm almost 13." Older people, on the other hand, rarely pose this question to people of the same age or older unless the information is absolutely necessary, say to fill out an official form, for example. Likewise, a young person would never inquire about the age of their superiors. This is why the formal version
Quanti anni ha?
is heard much less.
Quanti anni ha, signora? Devo chiederglielo in modo da poter compilare il modulo.
"How old are you, madam?" I have to ask so that I can fill out the form. The plural form of this question is
Quanti anni avete?
it's only used when addressing a group of people. The phrase "quanti anni hai" literally translates as "how many years do you have" in English. You would never say,
Quanto sei vecchio?
literally, "how old are you?" as this would be interpreted as "wow, you're really old" in Italian. Because the question in English contains the verb to be, some beginners make the mistake of saying
Quanti anni sei?
instead of "quanti anni hai." The former is incorrect and should never be used.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.